Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we have this 2014 Chrysler 200. We're going to be doing a passenger side headlight. It is conveniently placed inside the inter wheel lining of the passenger wheel. First, you're going to remove these three 9/32 screws, and the rest are going to be pop tabs that you're going to use a flathead screwdriver to remove. Now that we have all this wheel lining off, you can take a look in here and see that the light bulb right here under this cover. Now you're like at the part. Removing the cap itself is really a pain in the ass. When you're all done and you get the new bulb in, remember to put this on using some WD-40 or lube like it to make your job much easier. And it is very important to have this back on. Here you can see the actual light bulb with the blue plug into it. Go ahead and remove that connection first and then remove the bulb. Makes it a little bit easier, but either way, just get it out of the hole. Here's the 9012 light bulb that will be going in the vehicle. From here on out, this is pretty much a reassembly process. Like I said, do not forget to put the cap back over the light. It makes it a lot easier if you use WD-40 or spray like it. Good luck reassembling, and do not forget any screws or push-in tabs. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next helpful video.